really got me where I wanted to be as a filmmaker, because that didn't come into play until after I was out of high school. What really got me was I've always been a horror fan.
I mean, most of my recommendations to young students if they're in high school is, if you're going to do it, do it. If you can produce something from writing the script all the way to finish it, you're probably interested.
I think I try to do things that are visceral and that will touch people's heart. And as long as I keep going for that, I think anyone can respond to it.